Yes, so you have on the slide the different challenges. So the first one is directly linked with the leakage. We have on the presentation at the beginning of the conference the different figures. For us, the main challenge is to reduce on a huge amount, huge percentage, the leakage, whatever they are on the water distribution or the water treatment or the wastewater. So it's at the two levels. Another challenge is to try to reach a correct price of the water. It's of course not the same price in the different countries, in different regions, so it has to be identified locally, I will say. And okay, we said the water pricing at this moment does not reflect the full economic value of the resource and its distribution. It doesn't mean that we need to have at the same with the same company, public or private, the distribution or the treatment of the water, but we think that the challenge is to have a global view of the cost of the water and the price of the water. Another challenge is, okay, it's an example of what we want to say. It's that the money must be invested in the most efficient solutions. For example, it's not efficient to invest money in a water treatment plant to reach 1% of the quality of the water after the treatment plant if before the treatment plant there are many leaks. So you have to invest the money where it's most effective, efficient. That has the different, the three main challenges for us. The solution and also maybe inside there are also the messages. So it's not, there is not the first priority or second priority, or it was written in when the ID came. So we all know that we will need a huge amount of money to make the work which is necessary. So we have a discussion about the rules of accounting in the public authorities, public companies, and the rules of accounting in the private company. And we think that we must align better this accounting because the cost of the work is very high. The period of amortization is pretty long. And in a public accounting, in most of the countries, a public accounting, you have to, it's a budget problem. So you have to write your investment in 1 year budget. So it's very difficult to have yes, you don't amortize the investment. So in a period where the money is not so easy to find, we think that the public accounting is a problem. So I told just before to reach the good balance of the water price, which is a global price, and not only you have to look at all the topics of the cycle of the water, I would say, treatment and distribution. For sure, one of the solutions is to have a better monitoring of the grid. In many cases, we don't know where are the pipes. So if you don't know where are the pipes, it's difficult to identify the leaks, and it's also difficult to have a strategic plan to replace the pipes. And we identify one solution for the water fund, and maybe to have a startup approach, I will say. The first step must be to co-finance the monitoring and the digitalization of the grid. Not start to finance the works, but to start to co-finance the monitoring and digitalization of the grid. And we say also that it's okay. It's not written on the slide, but comment on dit flécher en anglais? Flécher. To target. To target the finance to the public authorities who have already implement solution to reduce the leaks, etc., and not to finance authorities which are only waiting for the money and have not implement a strategic plan or something like that. Thank you.